Hello everybody. I don't know why I've been getting copyright claims with this. Really, I give Mattel and Thomas and Friends all the credit. I don't know what's going on because I've reacted to other Thomas and Friends videos and have had no problem with it. And now all of a sudden I've done 2 of them and I've had a problem with it. So I'm going to try this one more time, and if I get another copyright claim, I'm just going to put all my Thomas and Friends reacting videos on Facebook. So hopefully though, if maybe I could speed it up a little bit, maybe that'll help too. I don't know, let's just get started and cross your fingers that this hopes for the best. Again, I do not own Thomas and Friends. Mattel owns everything. And the reason I react to these videos is because I want people to see it's okay to like this stuff. I mean, this is one of my friends. He made this and it says Mattel owns footage. No money will never be made on this channel. So please, 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 let's hope this goes well.
Diesel was cross with Daisy, the diesel rail car. He thought she was very full of herself, and he was fed up with her boasting.
You know, a real one-of-a-kind engine. Uniquely useful. The only one on the Northwestern Railway.
Oh, I'm sick of hearing about Daisy, the diesel rail car.
Who's talking about Daisy?
Diesel.
I was talking about Harvey.
What I like about Diesel is he's really funny and he reacts like he is like a bully, and it shows kids not to bully people.
Harvey is a tank engine
I love Harvey.
with a crane mounted on top of his boiler. A unique engine, one of a kind. Then, Diesel saw a way to show Daisy that she wasn't the most singular engine on Sodor.
Hello, Harvey.
Oh, hello, Diesel.
Did you know that Daisy has been saying she is the most uniquely useful engine on Sodor?
Well, we're all useful in our own way.
Yes, Harvey, but do you think she's more useful than you with your crane? Because that's what she's been saying.
Oh no.
More or less.
Alright kids, never spread rumors, because he's starting to spread rumors. And if you spread rumors, it will not go well. Let's see what happens.
Well, it's not a very nice thing to say. I can be useful too.
That's not what Daisy thinks.
So, Diesel started spreading rumors and causing problems between Harvey and Daisy.
Hey, Ryan. You'd better look out for your friend Daisy. Harvey's been saying he's much more useful than she is. Oh, the engine with a crane. You must know him. There's no other engine like him on the whole of Sodor.
No, Diesel. I don't think I do know him. But he should certainly know there's no engine like me.
Oh wow.
Well,
See kids, Diesel reminds me of a bully I had in school. He would spread rumors about me all the time and then didn't turn out well. Let's see what happens.
he says she can carry...
Sorry about that.
Useful than having
I
a
will just turn my
crane and silly
notifications
wooden
off.
buffers.
And there we go.
What's going on with you and Harvey? He's been saying he's more useful than you.
If I were Harvey, I'd give that Daisy a piece of my mind. Anyway, Thomas, mustache, nose to shunt and all that.
Hello, Harvey.
Harvey.
What's going on between you and Daisy?
Harvey is who we should get next.
Everyone keeps asking me about that. She sounds like a rude and unpleasant engine. I hope I don't run into her.
Fun, I think Daisy's cool. I think she's really cool.
Daisy was on her way to Harwich when there was trouble.
Uh-oh. Oh no, Harvey.
Daisy?
Oh wow. Oh, I love this song.
Is there a problem?
These crates on the line.
Oh.
I guess I'm going to be delayed now. That's not very useful, is it?
I could move the crates with my crane.
See, what I like about this part is that he, Harvey, and her, this is when they realize that Diesel was up to no good.
But then I would be running late too. I have to go and pick up a replacement passenger coach for one that Diesel derailed this morning.
No need for that. I can pick up the extra passengers without a coach.
Oh, how useful is that?
Very useful. But right now, not as useful as having that. You swing your thingy.
Oh, you mean my crane? Oh, right. So, I'll move these crates.
And I'll pick up the extra passengers.
Yay! I love this story.
And you'll never guess what. They did the puppet show
looks like they're
right
friends
there.
now.
Oh, that sounds so funny.
It was magnifique.
Magnifique.
You're not supposed to be friends.
Why
This
would you
isn't
ever
going
think we
well.
wouldn't get along, Diesel?
But you're both so different. A diesel rail car and a steamy with a crane.
What's with him?
Yeah, what's the matter with him?
Oh, silly engines, acting like they're so special.
Diesel was in such a grumpy mood that he didn't notice that the points were set towards the ramp that led down towards the sea.
Ah, no, I don't want to go. My bottom's wet.
See what happens when he spreads rumors, kids? Not a good idea.
Oh, don't worry, Diesel.
One
I'm
day your
here.
rumors can get you into trouble.
Harvey, why are you helping me? I wasn't very nice to you.
Oh, I know, Diesel, but I'm always willing to help.
Do you know what I think, Harvey?
What's that, Daisy?
Maybe what makes an engine really special is not how they look, but what they do. Like you, Harvey. Helping Diesel after he's been causing all that trouble.
But Diesel can be uniquely useful too, Daisy, when he's pulling cars.
Alright, you know how the rest goes, but I like it, but it shows not to spread rumors. So kids, it's okay, even if you're 22 like me and you still watch this, it's okay. It's okay to be yourself. Thank you for watching. Please like this video. And again, I do not own Thomas and Friends. Mattel owns everything. I hope this video doesn't get blocked, honestly. If it does, then I'll just have to start reacting to fan-based Thomas and Friends videos. Please hope this, cross your fingers that this doesn't get blocked. And this is KBear101 signing out.